So let's look at an example of applying the law of sines, or sine law. So here's our example. It's asking us to find side length C. So what do we actually have given in the question? We have angle B given, we have angle C given, and we have side B given, and we'd like to find angle C. So notice that we do have a perfect pair. So we have angle B and side B. So we have a perfect pair, and then we also have angle C given to us, and we want to find side C. So this is a good opportunity to actually use the sine law. So we want to involve B, and we want to involve C, because that's the one we want to solve for. A, we don't have anything, we don't want it, so we can kind of disregard it. So you have two options. You can either use the form of sine B over B is equal to sine C over C, or you can flip it. So B over sine of B is equal to C over sine of C. So either of these two should give you the right answer coming out. It doesn't really matter which one you use, as long as there's substitution and then solving in the right way. So I'm just going to use the first one. So let's do our substitution. So we know what B is, and we know what side B is. So we have sine of 35 degrees over side B, which in this case is 7, is equal to sine C, which is 105, over side C, which we don't know. So you have to make sure there's only one unknown, obviously, in your formula in order to apply sine law. Please make sure that you do have your calculator in degree mode when you're actually doing these ones. So however you sort of think about solving this, I'm going to do cross multiplication. So 7 times sine 107 divided by whatever goes with my variable, so divided by sine of 35. So C is equal to 7 times sine of 105 divided by whatever goes with my variable across the equal sign, so divided by sine of 35. So plugging that into my calculator, 7 times sine of 105 divided by sine of 35, I end up getting 11.788, etc. And I'm going to round that to one decimal place, 11.8. I don't have any unit associated with it, so I'm just going to leave it as is. So according to sine law, C has to be 11.8 for my side length.